Hello my beautiful Ebony and welcome to my channel. Know that you were born to shine, to succeed, to conquer the world. But sometimes the invisible chains of our limiting beliefs hold us back and make us believe that we are not strong enough to succeed. Today, I am here to tell you that you can break these chains. I am here to tell you that these mental barriers you can beat. Each key that I am going to share with you is a step towards your liberation. Do not wait, my sister. The change begins now. You are ready to embrace your greatness. Let's go. The first key is to identify your limiting beliefs and tell them, that's enough. The first step, my beautiful depend, to change your life, is to open your eyes to what is blocking you. Limiting beliefs are walls in your mind. But remember, these walls are not real. You can break them down, and start today. For example, take a notebook and write down all the thoughts that are holding you back. Like for example, I can't do this, it's too difficult. It's not for me. Look at them and tell yourself, it's over, these thoughts don't define me much. Ask yourself, for example, where do these beliefs come from? Were they imposed by your family, by society, or by failures in your past? They do not really belong to you, so release them. Find a belief that has already limited you and prove it wrong. For example, if you thought you were not competent enough, remember a success where you to pray, ask yourself the question, what could I accomplish if this belief disappeared? This simple reflection can trigger new energy in you. Every morning, repeat to yourself, I am stronger than my limiting beliefs. Look in the mirror and say it with power. The second key is to change your internal dialogue to cultivate power. My dear, words are magic. They can build you up or destroy you, so today, decide that every word you use to talk about yourself will be a source of light and strength. For example, create a list of powerful affirmations and repeat them every day. Repeat, I am capable, I am worthy, I deserve the best. Put them on your phone or on your mirror. For example, catch every negative thought in flight and transform it. If you thought, for example, I am not good enough, tell yourself immediately, I am learning and I am improving every day. For example, record a voice message for yourself. Listen to it when you doubt yourself. Tell yourself, I am strong, I am intelligent and capable of accomplishing all my dreams. For example, every compliment you receive, reread them often, reread them every day. They are proof that you are already admirable. Use powerful words every day. Talk about your projects with enthusiasm and always say, I will succeed. I will achieve it, instead of I will try. Say I will succeed, I will get there. The third key is to plant beliefs, liberating in your mind. Imagine my sister, my beautiful of beauties, your mind is a garden. For it to bloom, you must pull out the weeds. Limiting beliefs and plant seeds of confidence, hope and infinite possibilities. Choose for example a negative belief, and immediately replace it with a positive one. For example, when your belief is I don't have the talent, it must become I can learn everything with determination. Say for example inspiring stories of successful African women. Their journey will show you that everything is possible, even for you. Visualize yourself, living the reality of your new belief. Imagine yourself radiant, accomplishing your dreams, free from all limitations. Repeat, for example, this sentence every day. I choose to believe in my power and my infinite possibilities. Practice, for example, actions that reinforce a new belief. If you want to believe your creativity. Sorry, start an artistic project, even small. The fourth key is to dare to go where you've never been. My beautiful Deben, my sister, your comfort zone is sweet, but it's also a prison. Nothing great is built in stillness. Every time you dare to step out of this zone, you expand your world and destroy the limits of your mind. For example, make a list of things you want to try but that scare you. Start at least one this week. For example, speak in a meeting or group. Even if you're shy, your courage always inspires others. Sign up for an activity or a project you've been putting off for a long time. You're ready to learn and grow. For example, take a bold action today. For example, ask for a promotion or propose an innovative idea. Tell yourself that each fear overcome is a victory over your mental limits. Write down your victories and congratulate yourself regularly. The fifth key is to make peace with your past and take back your power. My beautiful Deben, my sister, your past is not your prison, it is a school that taught you valuable lessons. What matters is that it is what you do today to create the future you deserve. For example, write a letter to your past. Thank it for the lessons it gave you and free yourself from these burdens. Create a symbolic ceremony of liberation. Burn a piece of paper where you have written everything you want to leave behind. Focus on your past successes. They are proof that you can overcome anything. Write down one thing from your past that limited you and how you can turn it into strength. For example, a difficulty that made you more resilient. Remind yourself every day that your future is in your hands. What you do now matters more than what happened before. The sixth key is to be your best ally, not your enemy. My beautiful Deb, my sister, you are human and it is magnificent. Your mistakes, imperfections, your doubts, all of this is part of your beauty. Be gentle with yourself in this journey that she said. Write down, for example, every evening 3 positive things about you or about your day recognizes your value. Recognizing it regularly will strengthen you. Not, forgive yourself for your past mistakes. They do not define your value, they help you grow. Give yourself a moment of care each week, whether it is a walk, a beauty treatment, or time to celebrate yourself. Surround yourself with people who value you. And flee from relationships that drag you down. Remember, you are your greatest ally. Treat yourself with love and respect. The seventh, and the last, is to take action now. My beautiful Deben, my sister. Transformation is not done by thought, but by action. Every step you take today brings you closer to the powerful woman you are destined to become. Take, for example, a bold action right now. For example, launch a project that you are putting off. Repeat to yourself, I am ready to act, and make an immediate decision, small or big. Made a choice now. A challenge, a fear today. Whether it's talking to someone or applying for an opportunity. Do it now. Write down a limiting belief and decide to replace it with a concrete action. If you thought, for example, I can't succeed, take a step towards your goal. Share, for example, your commitment with a friend or here in the earth. Acting and sharing solidifies your decision. Finally, my beautiful Deben, my sister, African woman, Black woman. You are powerful beyond what you imagine. Limiting beliefs have no power over you if you choose to free yourself from them. Take action now. Write in the comments what key you will apply today. Remember, your future belongs to you and you are ready to create it. The world needs you, so act now and shine.